In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add background music to your PowerPoint slides step by step. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, business, YouTube, or a live event, adding background music can make your slides more engaging, more professional, and more memorable. The best part is that PowerPoint makes this process very simple once you know where to click. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Go ahead and locate the file you want to work on, for example, presentation.pptx, and open it. Make sure you are in the normal editing view where you can see your slides on the left-hand side and the main slide workspace in the center. Before adding music, quickly scroll through your slides and confirm everything else looks good because we're going to add audio that can play across the entire presentation. Once your presentation is open, go to the top menu and click on Insert. The Insert tab is where you can add different types of media and elements into your slides, including images, videos, shapes, and of course audio. After clicking Insert, look toward the right-hand side of the ribbon menu and find the Audio option. Click on Audio and you'll see options such as Audio on my PC or Record Audio, depending on your version of PowerPoint. If you already have a music file saved on your computer, click on Audio on my PC. Then browse your computer and select the music file you want to use. This could be an MP3 or WAV file. After selecting the file, click Insert. PowerPoint will now place a small audio icon directly onto your slide. Next, you can drag and drop the audio icon to reposition it anywhere on the slide. Most people prefer to move it to a corner so it doesn't interfere with slide content. You can also resize the icon by clicking and dragging the corners if needed. Keep in mind that this icon can be hidden later during the slideshow if you don't want it visible to your audience. Now this is the most important step. Click on the audio icon to select it. When you do that, a new tab will appear at the top called Playback or Audio Playback, depending on your version. Click on that Playback tab. Here you'll see several important settings that control how your music behaves during the presentation. To make the music play automatically, find the Start option and change it from On-Click to Automatically. This ensures the music starts playing as soon as the slide appears. If you want the background music to continue playing across all slides, check the option that says Play Across Slides. This is what creates a true background music effect instead of stopping at the next slide. You can also select Loop Until Stopped if you want the music to repeat continuously throughout the presentation. If you don't want the audio icon visible during the slideshow, check the box that says Hide During Show. This keeps your presentation looking clean and professional while the music plays in the background. After adjusting these settings, it's a good idea to test your presentation. Click on Slideshow and start from the beginning. Listen carefully to make sure the volume is appropriate and that the music transitions smoothly between slides. If the music is too loud, you can go back to the Playback tab and adjust the volume settings. And that's it. You've successfully added background music to your PowerPoint slides. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how your presentation feels to your audience. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.